Magandang araw sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kababayan na mga DepEd teachers na nag-aabang ng kanilang Special Allotment Release Orders or SARO para sa PBB 2023. Tingnan ho natin ang website ng DBM today kung ano-ano ba yung mga nai-release on November 28 at saka 27. Tingnan ho natin. Okay, let's see. Makikita nyo to, by the way, yung mga nagtatanong kung saan ito makikita, tingnan nyo na lang sa DBM website. Okay. So, unang-una, meron tayo dito the Division of Palawan. Makita nyo naman dito sa kabilang banda. Andyan SARO, Region 4B. Okay. Yan. So, next, the Division of Palawan amounting to 3.2 million. Next, we have Division of Puerto Princesa, City, 1.8 million. Then, Division of Romblon, 2.3 million. Division of Davao Occidental, 50.2 million pesos. Ito, Region 11 ata to. Division of Digo City, 21.3 million. Chofilo Fernandez National High School, 972,000. Talumo National High School, 1.1 million. Tagakpan National High School, 515,000. Santa Ana National High School, 4.7 million. Sirib National High School, 331,000. Sirawa National High School, 338,000. Pablo Lorenzo National High School, 1 million. Lower Tamugan National High School, 690,000. Los Amigos National High School, 974. Parang Region 11 ito. Leon Garcia Senior National High School, 1.1 million. Jesus J. Soriano National High School, 1.1 million. J.V. Ferios National High School, 550,000. Burgonio Tajo Senior National High School, 429,000. Doña Carmen Denia National High School, 3.6 million. Pindasan National High School, 984,000. Montevista National High School, 1.4 million. Moncayo National High School, 2.7 million. Manat National High School, 946,000. Maragusan National High School, 2.3 million. Mainit National High School, 774,000. Mabini National High School, 1.2 million. Lorenzo S. Sarmiento Senior National High School, 1.5 million. Laak National High School, 2 million. Gabi National High School, 861,000. Compostela National High School, 3.1 million. Attorney Orlando S. Rimando National High School, 2.3 million. Anibungan National High School, 504,000. Andili National High School, 748,000. Division of Davao de Oro, 95.6 million. Baganga National High School, 1.5 million. Lupo National Comprehensive High School, 989,000. Manuel B. Gunya Senior National High School, 1.9 million. Katiil Vocational High School, 1.7 million. Katiil National Agricultural High School, 590,000. Caraga National High School, 1.2 million. Matiao National High School, 1.2 million. Mati School of Arts and Trades, 1.1 million. Mati National Comprehensive High School, 3.3 million. Dawan National High School, 558 million. Badas National High School, 542,000. I'm sorry with balik tayo dito. The One National High School, that's 558,000. Uh, Badas National High School, 542,000. Division of Mati City, 27.5 million. We also have it here, Samar State University, although not DepEd, pero PBB pa din ito. Samar State University, SUC. Then, Division of Davao City, 4 million. Division of Tagum City, 1.7 million. Division of Island Garden City of Samal, 1.2 million. Then, Regional Office, 11, 2.5 million. Pantukan National High School, 2 million. New Bataan National High School. Ito, Region 11 pa din. 1.3 million. What else? Nabunturan National Comprehensive High School, 3.2 million. Uh, we still have it here. That's Samal. Samal National High School, 671,000. Uh, Nieves Villarica National High School, 2 million. Uh, Mambagu B National High School, 766,000. Uh, Division of Island Garden City of Samar, 16 million. Tagum City National Comprehensive High School, 2.8 million. Division of Tagum City, 22 million. What else? Ano pa ba dito? We also have Tagum National Trade School, 2.9 million. Then Tagum City National High School, 4 million. PP San Maog National High School, 553,000. Laureta National High School, 1 million. We also have it here. La Filipina National High School, 2.9 million. Jose Tuazon Jr. Memorial National High School, 845,000. Ano pa? Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School, 4.9 million. Dakudao National High School, 520,000. Crossing Bayabas National High School, 3.2 million. Kalinan National High School, 2.6 million. Kabantian National High School, 1.5 million. Binugao National High School, 583,000. Binuwang National High School, 295,000. Bernardo D. Carpio National High School, 2.3 million. Baguio National School of Arts and Trades, 1.1 million. Division of Davao City, 149 million. What else? Catalunan Pequeño National High School, 1.5 million. Diao National High School, 518,000. A.L. Navarro National High School, 1.9 million. Bulacan Agricultural State College, SUC ito, mga state universities and colleges. PBB din sa kanila, 3.3 million. Then, on November 27, meron din mga PBB. We have the central office, 20 million. Then, this is the UST, National Academy of Science and Technology. The central office of other executive offices. Then, 27, meron din tayo dito. Okay, anyway, so that's for uh, November 28. Mostly, doon sa nai-release no November 28, mostly from Region 11. Uh, Kapag yung mga schools ninyo or mga division office ninyo na hindi pa nabigyan ng SARO, you just have to wait a little more. Alright? So, congratulations sa mga meron ng mga SARO. Okay? So, good luck mga teachers. Have a great day and congratulations everyone.